This is just the frame, y'all. We're gonna do some, what do you think, 2x6s? 2x8? 2x8, it'll look like a barn door or something like that.
So 2x8s?
Yeah, 2x8's going all the way across.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Can you lift this up? Use your strong muscles. What's that?
Like how?
Over you. This one is doing too much. He done lifted it over his head. Usando nzuri sana. Lakini angalia. We want it to line up with the wall. Up.
Ah, it's gonna be here.
Yeah. This is the counter, Captain. Hey, welcome to welcome to Merge. What can I get for you? Excuse me, ma'am. If you're not gonna order, we're gonna have to ask you to leave.
Be rude.
How's that rude?
That's rude.
You ain't holding up my line. No. Came here to hold us up.
I don't think if it's like it's loose.
Yeah,
It is loose.
it is. We haven't. This is the frame. That's it. It's just the frame, okay? You see, the frame ain't gotta be perfect.
But I think when you put like there's something at the top, it's gonna be okay.
Well, on the top there's gonna be boards. See, the boards are
Yeah,
supported
when you
by
put
this,
the board,
this,
it's gonna
this.
be okay.
All of this is gonna take the weight. It's not. Hopefully, it don't break.
Yeah, it won't.
It's still a little wobbly. You're right, but there's more that can be done.
What about this pipe here?
That pipe. That's why we moved this wood up. On top, there's gonna be a shelf, so you won't even see the pipe. And over here, this is gonna be covered. So like I said, as long as the frame is done, we can get the other wood and start smoothing it out. I gotta wait for my grinder to come tonight so that we can smooth this, make it look nice.
Yeah.
So right now, I'm good. We can even take that and put it right here.
Let's try.
No, that's heavy.
Fish.
This could be the countertop though. If we find a way to cut that in half without a circular saw, you gonna lift that alone?
Matt.
Not heavy.
Oh.
This could be one table, huh? That's one table right here. Right side. Right over there. What do you think? 8 feet, 10 feet. So,
But I think if it's the table, this is so big. Like
Big?
it's so big. So how many tables are you going to put here? They should be not so big like this one.
well, just one like this down there or up here.
Maybe down outside
Down.
because there
Because-
is enough space.
Remember, some people come as a big family. They might need 10 feet. This could be that space
Yeah, this
right
can
there.
be this.
Or it could be over there in the corner. Or it could be right here. It could be.
I'm thinking like the table should be like this.
Remember the ones we cut yesterday?
Yeah.
That's how big they are. 4 from this. So each one's about a 2-foot section.
So this is the table. The table is the.
Okay. Okay, we're good enough. Don't let the looks fool you right now. It's leaning a little. It's leaning a little, but it's made with love. And look, it's strong enough.
Comment. It's about to fall.
Actually, more stability. Once you get the shelving in there,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you put another brace in there, I don't know, but the more the shelving in there, you're gonna have just one shelf at the bottom, or
It'll be 2 levels.
okay, yeah, that's
Over
gonna
here,
stabilize.
it'll be 2. Over here, it'll be 1. Because this pipe's already taken up.
Yeah,
some
that'll
space.
stabilize it more. Plus that weight on that too.
Yeah, so we can start building a wall up here. So we'll put one more. We'll cut this to size. We'll drill it down and up. Where's that? How much time we got on there?
19 minutes, 30 seconds.
Good, that's a video. I ain't even got to edit. See, some videos aren't edited. Y'all don't know that. I'm just glad we have tools now, y'all. Because I tell you, hammer and nails wasn't working. Not with this piece. You filming, Catherine?
I'm eating.
Catherine's allergic to ugali, she says. She's set on
On what?
on national TV. She's ready to tell the world about ugali.
Ish.
I tell you, Catherine, this is peaceful, y'all. This is what I like doing. Coming
Oh.
up here, removing nails. It's better with people sometimes. I'm glad our guest here. You want to tell them your name or no?
Sure, my name is Leif.
He came and gave us some company.
Ish.
Some of these nails are reusable though. I'm trying not to
Yes,
destroy
that's
them
straighten
all.
them out.
If I ever run out of nails. Yeah, let me turn this one and take it out. Like cool.
No splinters.
And these nails are still sticking out. You gotta look at the nail. Imagine. I'm a tetanus. I will turn it and pull them all out.
Why don't you move with that one, the grill?
With what? The drill? Captain, these are nails.
Yeah, like that time we did.
With the drill?
Yeah.
These are nails.
So what did we remove from there? What
We
was
removed
that?
Screws. Those are the screws. These ones are just straight. They're not like twisted.
Ah,
in.
they don't. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
they're just you just
Yeah.
hit them
I
in. I
see.
wish that'd be nice.
Yeah.
That'd be real nice if we could. Get
I
rid of them
thought
like
it works on everything.
that. It'd be too nice if it did. I wouldn't buy a hammer. I'd never do a hammer. Well, hammer still. I need to drill a hole.
Well, you can get it at an angle
Yeah.
and you hit it in with the hammer.
Yeah, I was just gonna flatten it out with the hammer a little, compress it a bit.
See?
Or if we turn it around,
Can you hit it in with the hammer that way? Just I'm keeping the center. Just hit it on into the center.
That's about center. Cheating. Yeah. Look at that. He already knew. I said before I even told him hit the bottom, he knew.
I've been watching because I was watching how he pulled the nails out too. He's pulling them out the right way. And then you want to drive a screw through that in?
Yeah. I should put a piece underneath. This is the right size. This one's just a little too short. Ikubo. Abdai. And we'll press down, come and push. Well, I think we could probably push it down. If we put a little weight on it, can you try to put a little weight on this, see if it bends? Because these aren't even flush with the ground. Yeah, it presses down a little. Let me try to Okay. All right.
What are you trying? There is a nail there. Down?
No, we're trying to push this down. I think, yeah, it's tight. So we can press it down with the drill.
Okay.
But we're going to have to use the special bit. So I'll drill 2 holes. Number kilo. Like this. And I'm going to have to drill that hole different. Either here I can put it here. It's here it supports, but here it makes more sense.
See, look at him. He's putting a shim in there.
Mm-hmm.
Man, you got some.
But
damn
Mark,
marks.
I ain't got the accuracy like I used to. Catherine over here judging. No, let me not joke. People will take that seriously. They'll be
yes.
saying, "Ooh, I knew it. Mark was off.
But
He
even
was always a little off."
That's what my
but
thing
now nowadays you like to make jokes about drinking, Mark. You remember even there you was like,
I make a lot of
Catherine,
jokes about it. Yeah. But I don't drink at all.
do
Not
you
even a
still
little.
have your drinking problems? Hey, John.
That's that pine. Smell like pine, look like pine, taste like pine. Soft birch. Birch. So, let me try. Good. Sandra, you can draw some.
Tell him to go and eat breads.
No, we're gonna go out.
Did he eat in the morning?
Of course he did, careful. He got our breakfast.
I left the cake on the table.
And he ate it. And I ate it too.
Now there is a cake there.
There's one more?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna eat it.
Huh?
I'm gonna eat it.
Huh?
I'm going to eat it.
I didn't hear you, Mark.
I said I'm going to be eating it.
What?
The cake.
The bread? You mean the bread?
No, the cake.
There is no cake.
There's no cake.
Yeah.
You just said
I
there
was
was
I was joking.
Catherine.
Before you go downstairs, you better go now.
Here, let's put this one. Let's squeeze this one. And we can probably put something like this at the bottom of that one. So
Yeah,
take
we're gonna
one
have
of
to.
these.
We're gonna put pots and things.
I have to
But
stop.
don't record this gentleman.
I'm not recording him. Mark
Yes.
meets what? Meets
Mark
the work.
needs an energy drink. Actually, no, I don't.
Ish.
That stuff never worked. I never tried it. Actually, coffee though never
But
worked.
today, but you tried today. You tried.
I ain't trying
I
nothing
saw the
else.
bottle of like Safari Lager.
Liquor. Is that liquor? Always drinking. Who's drinking?
Mark
A
is
lot of these
drinking.
mechanics come to work
Hmm.
drink. They're
Who-
drunk.
who are
The
you?
fundies.
Who are
They
you?
come drunk. How you gonna work drunk?
Who are you?
Some people work drunk. What happened?
This nail was too big.
No.
This is the one you
This
put
is
in?
one of the small nails.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you should see we have 6-inch nails, 8-inch nails. All right, here we go. Wow. You gotta put a little power in it, Cap. Make it
It is
like you
bending.
making Uganda. When it's bending, you just gotta here. Let me hit it. Let me hit it.
Wait.
Take your little
Relax.
recorder. I thought I was gonna see something nice. Captain over here breaking the wood. But watch out, cause it's
It is bending.
Here, let's pull this thing back. Here, Captain, hold this. Hold that. Hold that. It's, we gotta make it. No move. No move. Iguans. I've been hammering nails for 32 years here. No. Nah. let me
We
put this
shall
right up.
see.
We'll see. We will see. Okay. But you're right, the screw would be easier at this point. But you know what? Now we doing it for the sake of doing it. Everybody know. Dang. Look at that. Came right through the side. Okay, stand up. All right, that's why the nail ain't going. No more mojo.
But it's too big, yeah. And when it's too big, it can break the wood.
Let me try it here.
Ish. Basi Maki, hey.
Woo wee! That's an even tighter one.
You're going to bring it in from this side and then hit it in with the hammer.
Dang, done turned the nail.
Mark, why didn't you put the nail on that side?
Which one?
This side here.
Where?
Like from here, like there. Put another nail.
We'll put another one. Look at it, turned itself around. Okay, y'all. Dang, Captain, the silence. Anybody got today's sponsor is I don't want to say any real companies. They might come after old Mark Meets Africa. Today's sponsor is Black and Decker. Get the job done right. Technology you ain't got. See, hold on. That's technology. Y'all don't know nothing about that.
You ain't got that here.
Y'all ain't got that. What if that man sees this? You know what? Man, that's messed up.
Oh, yeah.
That is messed up. But you know what? It's all in good fun.
But that's how he thinks. That's how he thinks.
They don't even know what we're talking about.
Yeah, they don't know.
That's technology. They sponsor. Technology you ain't got. I like that.